Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm just going to do a little video on me using the Ammo aerator and the frothy stuff on my engine bay. So as you guys can see, my engine bay is pretty clean, but just from winter you get a bunch of dirt and grime and that kind of stuff. So hopefully this stuff, I've seen Larry in his video throw it on some of the engine bay. I'm going to watch some of the electronics and stuff obviously, but I'm going to throw that on there and just kind of get this real nice and clean. So well, we'll see. Sort of get this over all this stuff here. Suppose I could do under the hood too. Get that as well, get that nice and clean. Make it look real nice. Let's begin wiping this off now. Do the valve cover now. So what's nice about a Jeep is you can fold the hood all the way back to the windshield, so you really got a ton of room to wipe everything down or work on it if you have to, which is really nice. Just gonna stand up on the tire. Alright, so what's nice about having these metal cloaks, you can literally just stand on your tire and work on it. What's really nice is the stuff like evaporates and goes away on its own. So if you miss a little bit underneath here, no big deal. It just evaporates and goes away, which is nice. Wasn't that dirty to begin with, but a little dust and grime, and then if you leave it, it's just gonna build up over time, you know. So I like to keep it as nice as possible. All right, now I did everything. You guys can see a little better, but everything's nice and clean now. Looks really good. Down here. But we got it nice and clean. Like I said before, it really wasn't that dirty before, but so I'm just gonna try to keep it clean. That worked pretty good. That was pretty easy, just using that little sprayer thing with the frothy, and then like some of the stuff I missed some there, and it just evaporates on its own. So, and you know, I've seen people use like water and stuff, so they actually like just spray down the whole engine, and I don't like to do that because of all the electronic, you know, sensors and everything like that. So this way you're able to keep the water where you want it, you know, and there's really not a whole lot of water in there. It's mostly like foam and that frothy stuff. So yeah, so I kind of like using that over using like hosing it down with water. So, and then I did the top of the hood as well, or underneath the hood. And it's nice and clean now too. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, a thumbs down. And I will see you guys in the next video.